start with the initial, okay? The initial B, okay? 把 the first tone is ba. In Hong Kong we have 巴士, that means the bus, okay? So we just take the similar sound bus as ba, okay? And then we can also say ba kit or kiki baba. Kiki baba means you can't pronounce words clearly. You can't present yourself in the fluent way. Then this kiki baba. It doesn't mean you are dumb. You can make voice, you can speak, but you just can't express yourself, or you just something like that. Okay, in such a way. So then that is kiki baba. Or we say 巴結巴結 means for example lobby, okay? You lobby someone, but usually in a negative way. In English lobby, you can lobby for some positive way, but when we use 巴結咧 in Chinese, in Cantonese, we always refer to a negative motive, okay? For example, why do you 巴結佢咧? Because you want to get some benefit, you want to get into a high position, or because you want him to do something for you, okay? Then that is 巴結啦, alright? And then there are a few words for tone one. For example, 爸爸啦, 爸爸 means your dad, your father, daddy. And 爸爸咧 is a two-word term, but you can make it as you can there is a different tones for 爸爸, okay? Usually 爸爸 okay? 爸 okay? 爸can be tone 4 or 爸 can be tone 1, okay? So if we just say this is my 爸爸咧, that is tone 1, but that is my 爸 okay? 爸 can both tone 4, or this is my 爸爸, okay? Yeah, so one tone 4, one tone 1. So there are a few ways to say about it, okay? So 爸 can be tone 1 or tone 4. And then 疤痕 that means a scar left on your skin or body after a wound. Then this is a 疤痕, a scar, okay? And then tone 2, 把 for example 一把 ruler, okay? That is a measure unit, 一把 ruler, 一把尺, okay? Or 一把 type, that means a letter, okay? We call it 一張 type, or we can also call it 一把 type. And then 把 can also use as a verb. For example, 把風啦或者把關啦, that means you have someone standing maybe by the door, by the entrance, or by the gate to ensure the security. Okay, then there's 把風or 把關. When you are here, no one can come in. Okay, then for security, then there's 把關 or 把風. You try to see whether there is someone coming. For example, the thieves, one of them will be standing maybe in the main door or somewhere that easily to see whether there is someone coming, and then he can make some signals for his gang members. Okay, so that one is doing 把風 that means to make sure, okay, the security, okay, either for good or for bad motive, right? And then also for measuring unit, right? There are a number of things that you can use 一把 to measure, 一把梯, 一把聲音, that means the voice, or 一把遮, that means the umbrella, okay, 一把. Or the ruler, 一把尺, okay? And then tone 3 is 把啦, 把 tone 3. Tone 3咧把咧 means someone which is too you can say arrogant, or you can say that dominant, or they just don't care other people's needs, okay? Then that is 霸啦, okay? 佢好霸王好霸道okay? Sometimes we call those little children 小霸王, because they are spoiled, okay? They just don't care about other children sneaks, and then they just want to get what they want. Okay, they just cry, they just shout, or they even just beat someone, or they just don't listen to any order. Okay, then there is 霸王啊、霸道啊。The position as a law in the old days, we call it 霸主啊。The leaders, okay, they occupy different regions in the whole land, okay, but they are separated within different leaders, okay. Then we seldom call this leader in certain region as a king or emperor. We just call it 霸主, okay, especially in the old days that it's not common to call the highest master as a king or emperor yet. Okay, they just occupy a certain area, and then with some supporters, some military supporters. Okay, then we call it 霸主啦. Alright, yeah. Or you be the law. Okay, you be the greatest law among all those leaders. Okay, control all those regions. Okay, then we'll call them 霸主. And then 八。Just now we say tone for 爸 or 爸 okay, 爸. And then tone 6 爸啦 tone 6 tone 6 爸咧 can be an exclamation. For example, 算罷啦，我話 sometimes we raise the tone 算罷啦 ，OK， 算了吧 ，OK， 不如去吧 ，OK， 唔好去。In spoken 咧 we usually use 啦，唔好去啦。But in written 咧 we usually say 吧，不如去吧，算了吧 ，OK 吧 ，OK。And then another meaning 咧 is 罷工，罷工咧 means you make a strike， OK， then that is a 罷工啦。So these are all for those tones for BA 爸爸。Tones, 6 tones. Okay, so you realize that some sounds didn't have meanings for all those tones, but usually you find at least 3 or 4 or 5 tones for one sound. So you can see that for Cantonese, don't just write out the European letter for the pronunciation for the sounds only, but the tones are important. So just the same pronunciation, BAA, but you can hear that there are at least a few tones, and then each tone at least a few words. And each word can also have a few meaning. So you can see that for any sound of Cantonese or Chinese, you must make it clear about the pronunciation letter, about the tones, and also you have to know that even same sound, same tone, there are different meanings. Alright, and so that is for BAA. Alright.